Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Brawa Beach in Canggu area, and also we start from Batu Bali Street. Okay guys, if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are in Batu Bali area, and now we are in Subak Sari Street. Today we will explore Canggu area because I heard right there the beach is so dirty. There is a lot of rubbish since the big raining a few days ago. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment on Brawa Beach, just make sure keep watching until the end of this video. Okay guys, now we are in Subak Sari Street. Subak Sari Street is very famous because Subak Sari Street in between Seminyak to Brawa Beach. So that's why there is a lot of people drive around in this area from Canggu to Seminyak or from Seminyak to Canggu. Okay guys, you see together on the street there is a lot more the bike drive around in this area, isn't it? And also there's a lot of car drive around in this area. And as we know together, in Canggu is very famous for the tourism. I mean like international tourism. So this way, in this area there is a lot of tourists driving by motorbike or car. Yeah, there is a lot more bike park in the right side. Okay guys, if you see the weather today is so very beautiful, I mean very clear. But few days ago in Bali was always raining in a week. So that's why on the beach is so dirty. There's a lot of rubbish from other side from Bali. They come to other side. Also the rubbish also come from Java. So today we will see together how look like the station on the Brawa Beach at the front of the Fin Beach Club. Okay guys, so far in this area it's not so busy, isn't it? There is some car and motorbike drive around, but not so much. But if you stay in this area, it looks so beautiful because in this area still look green because in this area there is a lot of rice field. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new station in Bali. And also I gotta say sorry because this week I quite busy, so that's why I didn't upload the video yesterday. You see right side, there is a lot big rice field area, but they just been harvest. You see at the front, yeah, there is some tourists driving by motorbike. Okay, at the front, this is very famous restaurant, and usually always busy. Okay, you see right side, there is a lot motorbike parking there on the restaurant. That's good. And now we are continue driving in Subak Sari Street. Actually, this street is like a shortcut from Brawa Street to the Fin Beach. Actually at the front left side there is a lot of rice field there, very large area for the rice field. Okay, now we turn right to explore Sri Kahyangan Street. Yeah, this is Sri Kahyangan Street, and also in the right side you see there is a rice field. Actually in this area there is a lot of villa but not so much hotel, and also in this area there is not so much restaurant and souvenir shop. So that's why even before the pandemic corona there is not so many people walking around on the sidewalk. It looks just empty, isn't it? Yeah, there is one big hotel there. So this area also have hotel because now we are nearby Brawa Beach. You see right side? There is the big hotel. But the rest there is a lot of villa in this area. So what do you think in this area in Sri Kahyangan and Subak Sari Street? Still look very quiet, isn't it? It's very sad. You see the big building at the front? Yeah, there is a big project, I think gonna be like beach club. You see at the front right side? Yeah, there is tourists walk around on the sidewalk. I think she will going to Brawa Beach. Okay, now we turn left because we will explore Brawa Beach. You see this area? It looks so quiet, isn't it? And actually in this video I make video around 8 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment start from Subak Sari Street until to the Brawa Beach. You see right side? Yeah, there is the entrance to go to Fin Beach Club. Also this one, right side. Yeah, there's the entrance to go to Fin Beach Club. And there's a lot of motorbike parking around here. That is good. Okay guys, now we reach Brawa Beach. And now I will find the parking and I will explore how the situation at the moment in Brawa Beach. Oh, there's big discount in Fin Beach Club. That's good. Okay guys, now we will explore how the situation at the moment in Brawa Beach. I heard this beach is so dirty now because was big raining and some area in Bali getting flood. Oh my god, it is so dirty, isn't it? There is just look rubbish on the beach. You see at the front? Yeah, there is Fin Beach Club. So now we are exactly at the front Fin Beach Club. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Brawa Beach. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.